Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Sister Nivedita. Number 1. Sister Nivedita was born on 28th of October 1867 in Ireland. Number 2. She is known for promoting education and empowering women. Number 3. Her real name was Margaret Elizabeth Noble. Number 4. She spent her childhood in Ireland. Number 5. She was a helper, writer and friend of Swami Vivekananda. Number 6. She met Swami Vivekananda in 1895 in London. Number 7. She came to India in 1898. Number 8. She appreciated Indian art and handmade items. Number 9. She strongly desired India to gain independence from British rule. Number 10. She died on 13th of October 1911 in Darjeeling. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.